was sent this product to review. These are food grade tweezers, and you get 3 different sizes. You get these smaller size here, which is good for fine items, small items that you may need to pick up. These are the medium size here, and they are great for any of your medium size. You could do a dessert, anything. These are your larger ones, which you can pick up meat with, or, you know, whatever, vegetables, fruit. You can do all sorts of things with these. These are very nice stainless steel. They have the little grippers on the end. Even the fine ones have little tiny grips on the end. I'm not sure if you can see them very well. I'm trying to tilt them so that hopefully you can see that a little bit. These you can see a little better because they're a little bigger. Good grip so your hand doesn't slip. Love these, and I highly recommend them.